Some years ago, I was at Cardiff Airport, returning to Ireland, after talking with the new Archbishop of Cardiff about the future of the House of Prayer in St. David's that he wanted to save. And these words came to me. Homeward bound, I wish I was. There is a land beyond the Irish Sea that is not wholly mine, though it be all I own on earth, for that 'twas given to me to hallow with hid song, and there to call the aeons home, where roam the souls of men to distance everlasting, blasting sin with sin and sin yet heavier, yet again returning to be shriven and warmed within. This could have been upon a part of earth my own, my very own, from whence I came and whither I would return. For sparks of mirth are kindled, yet by accents yet the same. And I hear my own father from the grave. Come, little one, and these thine own, yet save. Sounds of home. There is beyond the sea a land I know that sings of home, that sings of many things and many hours long gone. For though we go into the hours that come, to home there clings a molecule or two that went away, and calls betimes again across the waves that lap this exile shore. For but a day bade many days rest ever neath their graves. And yet I would again re-sing this song and accent fond I know. I would here come in pulpits old to stand, for I belong to what I am, and sounds of safest home o'er this horizon call at whiles again. For harmony, ere lost, is strangest.